hit ng Spanish-Filipino singer na si Junior Morales.
Junior. Nakasama namin sa pelikula yan.
Yes.
Eto na si
Ate B.
Francine Llarena para sa But If You Leave Me.
One more sleepless night, still can't get things right. I don't think you see how hard this is for me. Knowing you're leaving, can't we talk things through the way we used to do? Remember how we planned to always understand, trying to find you, trying to find a way to start a life anew. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no tomorrow, only yesterday and time to think. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no more laughter, only sadness days. All the time I know you're just about to go. I can't let you make this one last final break. Trying to tell you, trying to tell myself, would still might find a way. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no tomorrow, only yesterday and time to think. 'Cause if you leave me, there's no more laughter, only sadness days and always wait.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Francine.
Ano yan? Kay Junior Morales.
Yes. Nakasama niyo sa movie, sabi mo.
Ni Ate B.
Pilipino.
Spanish. Half Spanish.
Spanish.
Galing Espanya.
Swing It Baby yata yung title.
Oo, with Bilba Santos.
FBS, di ba?
Kanta sa number 2 from Olongapo City, 9 years old.
Para awitin naman ang hit. Ang hit.
Ang baho nun, ha?
Oo nga, kaya nga.
Ulit-ulit mo pa.
Lalagyan, iko-correct ko lang ha, para kantahin ang 1968 hit. Para mahiwalay lang yung hanggang sa hit. Ang 1968 hit ni Shirley Bassey.
Pilipino din yun.
Shirley Bassey, hindi. Kapatid ni ano yun eh.
Willie Jones.
Willie Jones.
Sakto yung kanta, Jose.
Yes, inang.
Ito yun, This Is My Life.
Yan.
Ayan, okay. Ito na si Brianna. Ba? Ito, ewan ko, Pilipina kaya ito. Brianna Clark. Clark.
Taga Olongapo, pero Clark.
Paborito nila lang yan.
Funny how a lonely day can make a person say, what good is my life? Funny how a breaking heart can make me start to say, what good is my life? Funny how I often seem to think I'll find another dream in my life. Till I look around and see this great big world is part of me and my life. This is
Ang galing. Ilan na kayo?
At wala kayong apat.
And the winner!
Nag-text si Willie Jones kay Norman.
Ano sabi?
Umiiyak daw si Willie Jones habang pinanonood niya. Ganyan-ganyan daw siya kumanta, pati yung itsura niya nung pagkabata.
Ay, hindi totoo.
Naiyak naman kami. Diba? Kawawa naman yung bata. Paglaki, diba?
Kami naman yung naiyak dito.
Sobra ka, Willie Jones.
Rihanna.
Thank you, Brianna.
Thank you, girls. Ang mananalo ay mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos.
At mamaya, malalaman natin kung sino sa kanilang dalawa ang mananalo.
And the winner.
Wala pa,
Mamaya daw.
Unot muna.
Hintayin mo naman natin bumata uli si Willie Jones. Okay.
Not boo.
Oy, baka nagtatanong yung audience, sino ba yung pinag-uusapan niyo? Si Willie Jones po ang pinakamatandang nabubuhay pa na lumalabas sa clowns.
Living dead.
Buhay pa po siya.
Buhay pa
Pag
po
narinig
yan.
niyo po yung kumanta ng Shirley Bassey, pumikit ka lang, yun na.
Oh,
Yan na.
Shirley Bassey po ang ini-impersonate niya. Okay.
Pero ang kamukha niya.
Ang,
Ang live singing, ah.
pero ang kamukha niya, Jose, sino?
Sino?
Ikaw na magsabi.
Pamagalit sa akin yan eh.
Wow, ah.
Oo. Nanununto kaya yan.
Kaya nalang sumusulpot pati yun eh. Pag hindi kaya naka-costume yan, no?
Pag hindi nakadamit yan, sasabihin sa akin, pare, may tutumba pa tayo rito.
Natatakot ka eh.
Basta pag nakita niyo Shirley Bassey mukhang killer, siya po yun. Okay. Oy, bukas na, tomorrow, Sabado, ang Bulagaan may fashion show na. Ulitin ko ang Bulagaan na may fashion show na, may knock-knock pa.
Aba,
Grabe naman.
Abangan nyo.
Nagnanaknak, nagpa-passion show.
Bukas na.
dire mo, parang sugat lang.
Oo, bakit?
Nagnanaknak.
Ay,